trace, fingers steady in the endless race. Wires hum like whispers in the night, sparks of vision shining bright. We will write the code line by line, turning chaos into a design. Logic flowing like a stream so pure. Every glitch we